Welcome to JobPro's non-foam inventory walkthrough. In this video, we are going to walk through how to order material, receive materials into your warehouse, transfer the material to your scheduled equipment, then finally use the material on a job. Let's get started. To create a stock order, you will need to go to the Add Stock Order dropdown on the main menu bar. Once on the stock order screen, you can utilize certain filters to select the items you need to add to your stock order. When selecting the items to add, make sure you are inputting which supplier these materials are coming from. JobPro can add a default supplier to all your items so that when you create stock orders, this field is pre-filled in. Next, add the quantities you are ordering for each specific item. Then click Add to Order. Once all your items are added, click Create Order. There is going to be a pop-up that shows the stock order number. You can click this pop-up and it will redirect your browser to the stock order page to receive the materials. Once on the stock order page, you must hit the Items tab to receive the material. Now you can adjust the quantity you received and the pricing of the material if necessary. You will need to type in a vendor bill number and the total amount of the material you are receiving. The update buttons at the bottom of the screen are different actions in the system. The only button that will make any updates when receiving a stock order is the Update Default Items Material Cost button. If you are receiving a price change from a vendor and need to update the cost in the system for that item, when receiving the material, make sure this option is selected so that the base item's inventory costs change as well. Now that you have received material, you are ready to transfer material to your rigs. In the Entry dropdown, go to Daily Inventory Management. This screen displays all your rigs and has dots beside the rigs that are scheduled for the day. A red dot means there is not enough material. Orange means it's partially loaded, and green means you're ready to go. Scheduling jobs is no different with inventory, but is a necessary step in order to load material onto your equipment. Select the truck you need to load, then the items that are required for each job associated with that truck will display. For non-foam inventory, you can easily auto-source your material by clicking the lightning bolt beside the item, or you can load more material than required by clicking the three lines. You can see on the inventory management screen how many available quantities you have within your warehouse on a line item basis. If you need to swap items, say fiberglass items for example, you can easily do so here. Once you have the load ticket created, be sure to click Load Material to load the truck. Once all your material is loaded, you are ready to use it on a job. Head over to the job by easily clicking the job link and start to relieve your inventory on the Job Processing tab. This process is no different from the current material entry process. However, if you have the inventory feature turned on, you must load your trucks before reaching this stage. Once the work is complete, you can start inputting the material on the job page. Once all the material used is officially inputted on the Job Processing tab, you can head back to the Daily Inventory Management screen to send material back to the warehouse or waste material to a specific job. Wasting the material adds the additional cost to the job as a material cost so that you can keep your profits in line. That is going to conclude our walkthrough of the non-foam inventory. If you have any questions, please reach out to your JobPro support team today. You can call us at 704-584-4019, submit a ticket through our new support portal, or email us at support@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.